Welcome back. City authorities are still investigating the cause of a mass overdose that sent more than 25 people to the hospital last week, 7 of which were in critical condition. The National Institute of Standards and Technology is taking the lead on analyzing what was in the drugs. Recovery and Harm Reduction Organization said the mass overdose incident highlights both the urgent need and ongoing efforts to meet individuals where they are. So for more on this, reporter Sapna Bansil from our media partner, the Baltimore Banner, joins us in studio. So thank you so much for joining us this evening.
Thank you for having me.
You spoke with the woman who has now been kind of classified as a survivor. Share with me a little bit about her experience.
Sure. So we met a woman who's in her 60s. She's battled addiction for over 4 decades. And she said that day she was walking down North Avenue. She encountered a dealer that she recognized, purchased a pill from that individual, as well as the dealer gave her a second pill sort of for free. And she took a small amount of one of the pills. And then I think what happened next kind of is what really stands out. She says a lot of what she experienced has never happened to her before. And this is someone, again, who's had a pretty prolonged addiction. So she started feeling dizzy, she started feeling like she was going to collapse. She made her way over to a playground and collapsed there, and then was subsequently taken to the hospital. So she said those were things she never experienced, and certainly the scale of what happened with at least 27 people going to the hospital, that was something she had never seen before either. So it was pretty unprecedented as far as she was concerned.
And Sabna, I understand that it took a few days for her to even get treatment because there were facilities that were closed. So how'd she navigate that?
Sure. So she was taken to the hospital on Thursday. She was discharged Saturday morning. And then she said the first place that she wanted to go was to get help. She sort of did what people tell people in addiction to do, which is go seek help. And so she took an Uber to a treatment center, and there were people there at the treatment center who were working on the weekend to sort of provide resources, but they told her to come back Monday to actually start treatment. And so she wasn't able to start her treatment until Monday. So she was sort of put back into the community and the neighborhood, the same community and neighborhood where, this incident happened, where 27 people were taken to the hospital. And so she was sort of left to figure things out on her own for a period of time.
All right. And before I let you go, Sapna, so what are next steps for her and others who are seeking treatment and help?
Sure. So I think one of the things we really want to emphasize is 988 is a phone number that anyone can call 24/7. It provides confidential support and mental health support. We're in touch with this person. She's hasn't necessarily given us permission to share more about her story, but the mayor's office has been in touch. We've been in touch, and we're hoping to certainly follow up with her some more soon. So.
All right. Thank you so much for your coverage, Sapna. Appreciate it. And thank you so much for joining us as well. And if you'd like to learn more about this story and other independent reporting from our media partner, the Baltimore Banner, head to thebaltimorebanner.com.